Now, there are a few things we want to improve in the look and feel of our genres. The first thing we want to improve is how the text is rendered. So look down here. The text for massively multiplayer is overlapping the image. This is because we're using a button, and buttons by default don't wrap text. But this is very easy to fix. So back to our genre list component. Down here, we have a button. Here we should set white space to normal, as opposed to no wrap. So no wrap is the default value. We want to change it to normal. Now here we don't need the braces. So here's what we get. No more overlapping, but the text is currently center aligned. So we should make it left aligned so it aligns with other genres. So here we set text align to left. Okay, that looks good. Now the next issue we need to address involves our images. If you pay close attention, you will notice that the aspect ratio of these images is distorted because we're getting images that are 600 by 400, but we're displaying them in 32 by 32 boxes. Again, this is very easy to fix. So back to the code. Here's our image. Here we should set object fit to cover. With this, the image will be scaled to fill the container while preserving its aspect ratio. So look, now the images look nicer. Now the final thing we want to do is add a heading on the top. So back to the code. Just before our list, we add a heading component and say genres. Now we should wrap these two components inside a fragment. Good. So here's what we get. Now the heading is a little bit too large and it's too close to our genres. So let's set font size to 2x large and margin bottom to 3. Okay, that looks lovely. So we're done with this step, and now it's time to commit our code to the repository. So here we say clean up the genres.